Hey guys, it's Grace Nash here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to give paper squishy a try. Let's just get started onto the squishy. First off, I started off by just drawing a picture of Tzuyu and in like chibi version because I want to make it cute. I drew iconic green hair. I think that's pretty iconic, and I kind of add a little bit of wings at the end of the eyes because I thought it really just reminds me of her. Color them with color pencils. It's pretty hard to color them because of the hair. The hair is like very textured, and yeah, I really have to put a lot of effort into that. I decided to make a paper squishy of her because I don't have anyone in mind, and since I use it in my outro, you guys were like super excited about it, so I figured why not turn one of the twice members into a paper squishy. And the only member that I'm kind of interested in and I kind of stalked is Tzuyu, so it's like, yeah. Attempt number 1. The reason why I'm calling it an attempt is because you probably shouldn't follow my ways, but I'm gonna talk about it anyways. Wow. So to make the paper look glossy and nice, I place a plastic bag over it. I use tape to tape it over to make sure that the paper stays in place. Cut out the excess. So I made sure to flip the drawings over just so the front side of the drawing actually shows through the plastic. Place them together and use hot glue gun to glue them together, which is a big no-no because it leaves those like glue residue behind and it looks really ugly. Now I'm gonna talk about a better way of doing this. Big credit to Chelsea DIY because she was the one who inspired me, more like showed me how to do this. To give it a glossy finish, I just used tape to tape all over the papers. And cut some slits over it so that it can be folded over different angles. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching and subscribe right below if you haven't already. And I will sign off now.